Today I am going to show how to design a e-kettle. Just I will design this e-kettle. Okay, first of all I took an image from Google just for proper shape. Just I can hide this and this. Okay, this image I took from this Google, then I use this for proper shape. It's okay. I will not make like this completely. I will change some shape on this image. So if you want to make any design or any product development, you can take as a reference image. I think it will be better if you want to design any product. At first you should take an image or hand sketch so that you can design as a proper shape. After making this proper shape, you can develop this product as your client requirement, customer requirement. It's any kind of product. Okay, so I show how to make this. At first I took this image from the Google, so then I start this. I sketch this, then I make this revolve boss, the bottom face. Okay, then I make this again revolve boss, this number 2 show this revolve boss. Okay, now I just make it as a sample, then I will finish on this product and I will design on this product any kinds of architecture or shape, anything you can change on this product. Okay, then I will do something on this. Just choose this frontly, click normal, and again this normal for this better. Now I go to this sketch, choose a line, a sketch line from this point to this, right click, select OK. Then I will adjust this. Just I can adjust it. Yeah, okay. Then just click and press shift key and again click on this and click make tangent. Okay, again click on this line and press shift key, again click on this 3-point arc and choose this make tangent. Okay, I think it is better. So if you want to little bit change, you can change. Okay, now go to this smart dimension, choose this dimension, I choose this 45, enter. Again I choose this radius 8022, 8000, enter. Okay, then I choose this radius, choose this 25, enter. Okay, then I select this line and press shift key and click this 3-point arc and choose this make tangent. Okay, and go to smart dimension, choose this dimension, I choose this 20, enter. Okay, now Again I sketch another line. Again choose this 3-point arc, sketch 3-point arc from this point to this point. Just right click, select OK. Again go to 3-point arc and sketch from this point to this, and right click, select OK. Again go to 3-point arc, choose this 3-point arc and sketch from this point to this, click and right click OK. Again choose this line, sketch line from this point to this and right click. Now I adjust this, so click this tangent and press shift key and press this tangent and choose this make tangent. Similarly select this line and choose this tangent, make sure tangent. Select similarly this and select this tangent and choose make tangent. Okay. Now I choose this smart dimension, select this radius, I choose this radius 34, enter. Okay, and choose this radius 300, enter. Again choose this radius, I choose this radius 12, enter. Okay, similarly I choose this distance 12, enter. Okay, I think it will be better sketch. So now I sketch, again choose this 3-point arc, choose this point to this point, click and right click, enter. So it should be better, so I should go to this tangent 200, 300, enter. Oh no, 277 will be better, so I will not change this. So again I choose this 3-point arc, this point to this point, click and right click, OK. Select this line, press shift key and select this, press. Now go to a smart dimension, choose this radius, I choose this 375, mean 380 will be better, so I think it will be great. So okay, now I go to this feature and extrude box space. Okay, you can choose this any size. I choose this 20, make sure it is mask and result, because I adjust in the next time. So click OK. Now see, just our 3D product almost ready, but I have to work on this mini. So select this and select this and go to, again choose this front plate and sketch and select this, and I make on this of the top face. So again I choose this line from this point to this and right click OK. Again select this and go to convert entity, go to trim entity, just trim this and click OK. Again go to this 3-point arc, choose this 3-point arc from this point to this and just click and right click. Similarly go to this line, so 3-point arc will be better, so I choose this 3-point arc from this point to this, right click. Now we choose this dimension to, so choose a smart dimension, go to this 33 and select this 20. Wow, 30 will be better, so I choose this 13. Okay, then I choose this 170, enter, and choose this 5 will be better, so okay. And just click this and choose this fillet, select this point, make this 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter will not take this fillet, so I have to change this 1 millimeter. Yes, 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter. Yes, 2 millimeter is good. So okay, our all dimension is defined. So go to this feature and choose revolve boss face. Choose this axis of regulation. This is our axis of regulation. And our merge result, select. If you select merge result, it will be added with this all body. So this is not final. So that's why at the first time we should take individually, because if you want to adjust any part with this 3D, complete 3D immediately, so I have to adjust many times for better quality. That's why I will not choose this mask data. So you can click OK. Okay, fine. We can show this. Just click this height. I think our immediately almost ready, but there are many works on this for better quality. So in the next time I will make this another video, because if I want to completely design this immediately, that's why it will take many times, so it will be feel bored. So I will make another video on this 3D format. Okay, thank you for watching.